Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the Miracase 12-inch LED ring light. This is useful for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube videos, or even if you're taking a selfie, doing your makeup. A ring light is useful in loads of different situations, isn't it? At the time of making this video, which is November 2020, you could pick this light up from Amazon for £25. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, let's see what's what. It is packaged quite nice, that. This is everything that was included inside the box. A little card. 20% off your next purchase if you join them. Get a chance to review their products. 18 months warranty. Instruction booklet in different languages. Just some information there. The cable is 2 meters. The light goes from 2700K to 5500K. The light has 3 colors: warm light, cool white, and daylight. Cost is 12 inches, dimmable by 10 levels. 162 pack LED, 13 watt. Some information there, what's included. You are able to rotate it to 360 degrees either way. That's the shutter there. That links via Bluetooth to your phone. It takes the normal watch batteries, the 2032, and you're able to take a picture and start recording from your phone. It's compatible with iOS and Android. A ball head. It's got a standard mount at the bottom that would fit on top of the tripod. The tripod's included. Just twist that, move it around. If you want it forward or backward, just lock it in place. The actual tripod. The tripod does have non-slip feet. It's secure on your desk there. That part would fit on the light there, and then you'd screw this part on. I'll show you that in a bit. That's a flexible neck. That they call this the gooseneck. That's the phone holder. It does expand quite a bit. I'll just put that on, loosen that. That would click into place and then tighten it. Make sure you do get it tight, you don't want your phone to fall off. And that would screw in there. And that would fit on the light. I'll show you that in a bit. Let's have a look at the light. So as I mentioned before, 2 meter cord length. It's got your brightness levels, your up or down, on, off, and then the 3 different modes it has. The light does feel of good build quality. At the bottom, it's got a standard mount that would fit on top of a tripod. The front of the light, it does feel good quality, this, and that's diffused. 3 more threads there. And these 2, this phone holder would fit in there. Just pop it in there. And let me just loosen that first. Tighten that. The 2 cold shoes, one cold shoe is taken up by the phone holder, and the other one you could put your microphone or another light or any other accessory that you want to put there. I do have my power bank here. The beauty about this, you could run it off your PC or your power bank. And because the lead is 2 meters long, you don't have to sit right close to it. Let me just turn it off. What I'll do is let me just dim my light. This one. I've dimmed my light down. And as you can see on the remote, a blue light has come up, letting me know that there is power coming through to the light, so I'm ready to use it. If I turn it on, that's the warm light. If I turn it up, apologies if my camera does go out of focus because of course I'm messing about with the light here. So. That's full whack. Turn that down. Change the mode. It's a cool light now. Turn that up. It's quite bright, that. Turn it down again. That's the daylight one. That's the brightest. It's a nice colour. Let me just turn my light on again. Okay. Tripod. Let's put the little ball joint on. By the way, any head could fit on top of this tripod. It doesn't have to be this one. I'll just put this underneath there. I've put the light on the tripod now, and I've even put my phone in there, you can see. When you turn Bluetooth on, you go to AB shutter 3. Would like to pair. Yep. The remote here, there's a button at the side there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Turn that on. Once you've linked the remote, once I push this, it'll take a picture. There we go. And that works for front or rear camera. I'm definitely impressed with this product. Link in the description box below. My friends, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.